Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can delete your Deezer account. Now for that, first of all, open the web browser, then open a new tab and on the search bar type in Deezer.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the Deezer. And now here you need to get logged in. So click on login option over here on the top. Type in your email address, account details for you to get logged in at first. Then type in your password. Click on login. Now that once you have been logged in into your account, you need to go to your profile section on the top right corner. There you need to go to the account setting option. Once you're at your account setting, you can see here all the information of your account. Now here you just need to scroll down. And at the end of the page, you will see the option of delete my account. You click open that. Now for you to delete your account, you just need to provide your password for the account and click on delete my account. Now they have sent an email to that email address. You just need to go check that mail at first. Here you can see on the very top the mail. You click upon that. Now here for you to move forward for deleting the account, you need to click on the link over here. Now for the final process, again you need to type in your password. Then finally click on delete my account. And with that, you have been logged out of your account. This means the process for you to delete your account was successful. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.